Angelina Knives. I know it's been a while. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here for a while, I know that it has been a while since the last time I've actually sat down, talked to you guys. I rushed out a Shein haul because I just really have not had time to just be alone and sit and film. But here we are. Today, as you can probably see from the title of the video, we are going to be swatching a 9-shade palette, the GLam palette from Profusion. This palette is completely unused. I'm just now opening it up. So here are the shades without the flash, and here are the shades with a flash. They're very pretty. Okay, so how I'm going to start swatching these is going to be from the shade Superstar, the shade Recharge, and I'm going to do the same thing for each row. Here is the shade Superstar. That is really pretty. That's really gorgeous. It looks almost wet. So I applied no primer, no nothing, no lotion to my hand. I mean, that's stunning. That's beautiful. And these shades are like butter. They are so smooth. This shade I'm going to swatch is called Classic. That's really pretty too. Goodness gracious, these are gorgeous shades. And this next shade is called Recharge. Are you kidding? This, I paid $3 for this palette. $3. Now going into the shade Nimbus. That shade's beautiful. It isn't chunky. I still have a lot left on my finger. I think you can get like a few more swatches out of it. Yeah, that was from like 2 swirls in, and I got like 3 full. That's gorgeous. This is a gorgeous shade. Now the shade I'm most excited about, Venice. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. This would look really, really pretty together, like in a halo eye. Like this, especially on the outer edge, smoked out just a little bit, and this right in the center. I love these shades. Not only are they super soft, but they look wet. And this is gorgeous. Like what the, you know? We still have one more shade to try, and this is Topaz. I took a little less on my finger because, you don't really need to swirl your finger around that much to get pigment. That is so pretty. We can build it up just like one more, like ever so slightly touching the palette. I mean, come on now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pronounce this right, but this next shade is called Resin, and this is purple. It's really, oh my god. Look how pretty. Guys, I could totally use that. Actually, I am gonna use it. We're gonna hold up now. I'm gonna pick up that shade on a little brush. I'm using that right on the edge where I have this purple. It's too pretty not to use it. Oh my god, it literally elevated this look. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. A lot of companies are like, yellows are so hard to make, purples are so hard to make. You know, I've never made makeup. Yes, that might be the case, but this brand is giving you stunning quality, stunning pigment. It even feels nice. It feels luxurious. And they're selling their palette for under $10. Like, if this was put in different packaging and it had a different label on it from like a different brand, I'm pretty sure these same shadows can go for an easily like $50. So I just went ahead and swatched the shade Rich, and that is so pretty. Palettes that have a black shadow, they tend to be patchy, they tend to be splotchy, they tend to not even be pigmented. You have to build them up because they're like a dark gray and not really a black. Or, like I just said, they're just patchy as fuck. But we are gonna go ahead and swatch this black, and like I said, no primer, no nothing. I'm not even using a makeup wipe to remove this. I've been using the original makeup eraser, and this is just a microfiber cloth. We're gonna go ahead into the shade Noir, and we're gonna go ahead and swatch that. This is one layer. Let's go ahead and build this up. This is fine just on its own. I'm more than happy with this. this one performs a lot better than half the blacks that in my high-end palettes, you know? So let's go ahead and layer this one up. I mean, that's 2 layers. 2 layers. I don't think these are still for sale in store, but I'm pretty sure you can get them online. Yeah, this was the GLam palette from Profusion. I know there's other ones. There's like the Arctic palette, there's the nude palette. There's plenty of palettes out there from Profusion. If you guys want to see me swatch a little bit more Profusion palettes, let me know down in the comments. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10. It is so pretty. I mean, the pigment speaks for itself. I mean, you don't really have to spend $50, $90, $60. I mean, look, even the eraser, that's without a primer, guys. They have some staying power behind them, which is nice to know. So now you know that if you put your makeup on in the beginning of the day, it should definitely stay on throughout the end of the day, and I'm pretty sure you're not rubbing your eyes throughout the day. So like, alright guys, comment down below, what was your favorite color, what was your favorite row? Will you guys actually try to go out and buy this palette? Like, let me know your thoughts, because I'm shocked. This shit is stunning. It's stunning. I am gonna think twice before I buy another high-end palette, because Profusion, you slayed it. I actually have a big Profusion palette that I want to swatch for you guys, but I'm just like, I haven't gotten to it. Actually, stay tuned. That's the next video I'm gonna do. Since I'm already here, I'm already swatching, let's do it. Go ahead and leave a like and comment down below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.